My name's Herman. I'm watch manager at Cynllun Fire Station and have been for 23 years and a bit more.
Herman, firefighter in Cynllun, working for West Wales Financial Service. I've been on call for roughly about 5.5 years.
Myself, day job, I still work for the fire service as support staff, and I deliver stores to all the fire stations in West Wales Financial Service.
I'm whole-time firefighter in Surrey, so when I come back from shift, I'm on call in Cynllun. So I cover various about 80 hours, a bit less a week. So just go to do normal day-to-day stuff, and if we have a shout, then you've got to come up and drop everything and come up really.
Years ago, walk in, come back from the shop or something, and then I'd see the fire appliance come towards me, the usual blue lights, sirens, that sort of thing, and I'm thinking, I fancy a bit of that. I wouldn't mind having a go. And come up on station one Monday night, do a drill, made some inquiries, and here I am today.
Yeah, so been brought up around the fire service. Obviously Dad been doing this since I was a little one. I was up here all the time pretty much part of the little family that was going on. I joined Young Firefighters when I was 13, I think it was. So that was a great stepping stone to getting into a bit more of an insight into the actual fire service itself. I had to finish up because of other commitments. And then, I had an application form on my 18th birthday, and pretty much so when I was 19, got in and haven't looked back since really.
Being an on-call firefighter, there's a lot of commitment. If anyone is interested in doing this, then you need to be, as I say, committed, physically fit, prepared to turn their hand to just about everything. Being retained, being an on-call firefighter, everyone's different. We've got carpenters, we've got plumbers, we've got electricians. So providing your employer will allow you to leave your primary employment if there is a fire call, then that'll be absolutely awesome. Because sometimes we go to a job and it's internal flooding, but I could turn to one of the crew and say, "Oh, you're a plumber, you can sort it out." So it has its advantage as well being a retained firefighter.
I would say probably, again, obviously be committed into joining the on-call. But what a lot of people don't realise is there's a lot of avenues to go down. There's a lot of jobs in the fire service. You can go into community fire safety, business fire safety, stores delivery, ORM. There's loads of even mechanics. They do apprenticeship as well. So the job just offers a massive range of opportunities. So this on-call could be that stepping stone into the service, but then get a wider sort of range of opportunities.
And development as well is quite good. The development, you can progress up and up promotion-wise. Really good opportunities for that as well.
So you'd come up on a Monday night, have a chat with the crew, or you'd ring a number that's been given out on the fire safety website, posters that are around local areas. So you'd get this information pack, and then you'd fill out an expression of interest. You can do it on the website as well, that's available now. But you'd have a chat with the line manager on station, watch manager or your crew manager, discuss your hours, eye test, and again then physical test,
point of entry,
numeracy and literacy test as well. So point of entry test really. So we're down for a day, do a load of tests and stuff like that, and then yeah, if you're successful there, you'll be invited to the next bit, which is probably an interview, and then yeah, you do your 2-week or 16-day training, and then you go out on station then. If you don't have a development plan, you go out on station, get your way to go on fire calls, and then you just progress from there really.
The crew on this station, there are only 10 of us, and you cannot wish for a better bunch of boys and girls to work with on this station.
For me, working in Cynllun, it's just the camaraderie between everyone on station. Like everyone's sort of been through the same sort of process to get in, training. Even if someone's lacking in a skill that no one else is, everyone will just pitch in, come up and even like when it's not even a drill night, we'd come up and give them a hand and stuff like that. So yeah, again, teamwork is massively important. Again, it's like sort of like a little family type feeling here. Yeah, I love it.
No secrets,
No
secrets at all.
No secrets.
Everybody knows your business, doesn't it?
Everyone knows everything. It's good sometimes, but it can be bad sometimes. Again, that's obviously.
No, it is good. It is
Yeah.
good.
So yeah, as I said earlier, I've got an LGV license out of it. So that's just a massive progression for me. Obviously, emergency response driving as well. I am going for my crew manager's papers as well, hopefully within the year. So again, just like my ambition is just like there's no limit to it really. You can push as much as you want. I've got a full-time job out of being an on-call firefighter. Not necessarily all the time it will happen, but you know, I pushed for it, and that it came in the end. So patience, you know, is key in some ways. But yeah, hopefully I'll be looking to transfer back as well to Midwest Wales from Surrey. Yeah, from there on it's just going to be non-stop really. I just want to push myself as much as I can.
About 32 years I've been here. So work, but that's when I was watching, as I said earlier, I'm watching the truck go back and forth, and I stay here. This has kept me here from down. Sometimes a wonderful time. Awesome time. Okay.
Yeah, obviously I live in Cynllun, I lived all my life. Yeah, just knowing the people here, they're a great bunch of people in this town. I think knowing that you're helping them in a way, that probably makes me stay here, and obviously for me to come back to work, a little bit far to go, but it is nice to come back to even, you know, in Carmarthenshire, not necessarily from Cynllun, just back to Carmarthenshire area. You know, it's just a nice area, and you just sort of serving the people of Wales really. So it'd be nice to come back and yeah, just be a bit local.